Bool Tool is a really awesome cutting add-on that comes with Blender by default. Make sure the box is checked so that it is active in preferences. Create an object that you want to use to cut into another object. Select it, then shift select the other object that you want to cut into. Press Ctrl 1 to cut. Now you can see that the cutter object has become a bounding box. This allows us to see through it while still giving us the ability to select it and move it. The Boolean operation updates in real time. The cool thing is that this is a completely non-destructive way of modeling. You can set the model to smooth shading with auto smooth, and you will need to repeat that last step for the cutter object as well. The cutter object is also called the brush. If you don't want to learn the shortcuts, in the option panel under the Edit tab you'll find all the Bool Tool options.